Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another video which is how to create a progress bar. So here I have a data set with the sales representative and the sales percentage for entire month. So for this I need to create a progress bar. So let's get into the video and see in a different methods how to create it. So first I'm selecting the sales percentage whatever they are done and post that go to a condition formatting. So here you will find a data bars. So you can select it which is ready-madely available here. So this is gradient fill, this is solid fill. You can use anything according to your requirement. So now what I want is whenever it is 100%, it should reflect as a completed. So for that reason what I'm going to do is I'll create it manually and showcase to you guys. So I'm going to condition formatting, creating a new rule. So new formatting rule dialog box is opened. So here we have a rule types, different rule types. So I'm selecting the first rule, format all the cells based on their values. So you can see the next drop down on a below, edit the rule description. So for this what I'm going to do is format style. So I'm taking this as a data bar. So here you will find a type and a value, what is minimum and what is maximum. So here I'm changing into number. Even the maximum value also I'm changing into number. So the value should be 0 and minimum value is 0, maximum value is 1. So bar appearance type, you can use gradient fill or you can use solid fill, that's up to you guys. So I'm taking solid fill. Post that I'm selecting a color. If you want to give the border, you can give solid borders. Whatever you want, you can change it. I don't want any border. Next, the bar direction. So it should be left to right. If you want to use it from a right to left, you can take that one also. This is a bar preview. You can see on a bottom. Suppose that you can press OK. Still, it is reflecting is 100%. So now what I will do is I'll create a new formula. Go to new role and use the last one. Use formula to determine which cell to be formatted. So for this what I'm doing is I'm selecting the reference data, the first cell, post that, give it as a equals to 100%. So now if you see in the first column along with the row, but I don't want to lock the row, so hence I'm removing the row. Post that I'm going to a format option, go to custom. So here it was general. For this what I'm going to do is I'm changing into different pattern. Open double quotes, give it as a completed. Post that, give the apostrophe and close double quotes. Just okay. If you want to format the text color, go to font. So here you will find automatic. Pick over there and change your color according to our requirement. So I'm giving it in a yellow. Press OK. If you see now, it got updated as 100% to completed. So now I'm changing another cell also to 100%. Let's see will it update or not. So if you see, the data bar is updating according to the rule. So this is the first method. And in the second method, you are able to see the name and the rating and remarks. So now I want to rate the people with this 1 to 5 scale along with the remarks. So what I will do is first I'll create a list over here. So for that reason what we'll do is we'll go to data tab, data validation, allow it as a list and give the numbers. So it is a very less number, that's the reason I'm giving it in fixing values. If you have any other source you can create it. If you need more information you can refer my another previous video. So here you will able to see list creation. So now I want to do this values to be reflected here when I'm selecting a 1. So let's select any of the value. So what I will do is I'll use a VLOOKUP function, select it. So lookup array, the first argument of value is this, the value whatever we are giving as a rating. Post that, give the comma, and the table array is the values where we have created. Select the entire table, comma, give the column numbers, how many columns the data was there, give it as 2, comma, and 0. So close. So when you are changing the numbers, rating numbers, it will change automatically. So now I am giving the same formula to all the cells. By using a control D, I got updated the formula. So I'm changing into now all the remarks got updated. So for this also I want to create a bar chart, progress bar, that is. So for that reason what we'll do is we'll go to home tab, the condition formatting, data labels. So I'm using this one. So this is one type. Along with this I want to give the stars. So what I will do is go to condition format. Here you will see icon set. So I'm including the stars over here. So it will reflect the star along with the progress bar. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Please to subscribe my channel and support me for more videos. Click on a bell icon.